Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ehtisham and I am student of 3rd semester of Electrical Engineering from UET Texla. The name of my idea is Self-Charging Vehicle. Introduction of idea. The idea is basically based on how to make an electrical vehicle which is charged automatically when it is in driving position. Now electrical vehicles are introduced, but it takes time to charge. So to save the charging time, DC brushless generators are used in the wheels of vehicle to charge the battery. Next. Implementation of idea. As 36 volt and 10 ampere batteries are used in simple electric bikes, so 36 volt and 400 watt DC brushless generators will be introduced in the front wheel and back wheel and in front of vehicle as 36 volt DC generator wind turbine. Two batteries will be used in this system. The vehicle will run on one battery and the DC generators will charge the other battery. As first battery will discharge, the other battery becomes fully charged by the DC generators and the motor will be shifted to the fully charged battery and the charging system will be shifted to the discharged battery. In this way, there is no need of external charging. Next. जैसा कि आप इस स्लाइड में देख सकते हैं, एक बैटरी ड्राइविंग जो मोटर है उसको ड्राइव करेगी और उससे जनरेटर जो है वो दूसरी बैटरी को चार्ज करेंगे और जैसी पहली बैटरी डिस्चार्ज होगी दूसरी चार्ज हो जाएगी, तो बाय मींस ऑफ माइक्रो कंट्रोलर्स ये दोनों एक्सचेंज हो जाएंगी, यानी जो डिस्चार्ज होगी वो चार्जिंग पे चली जाएगी और जो चार्ज हो चुकी है वो ड्राइव करेगी. नेक्स्ट प्लीज. इनोवेशन इन आइडिया. As the number of wheels increase, the number of DC generator for each wheel is also increases, and thus we can shift from 2 battery system to 3 battery system. We can also introduce removable pedals. We can also introduce solar panels and extra batteries if we need more powerful vehicle. Next, market benefits. No work has done previously on such type of vehicle. So if we launch this product, we can get a great deal of market benefits. Everyone needs a vehicle which is fuel free and also time saving. So if we launch this product, its market value will be high. Future modification. Next please. As the technology is growing very fast and scientists are working on the battery life and their charging time, so with the modernization in batteries, the vehicle will be modified by these batteries. Moreover, we can also modify our vehicles by use of flexible solar panels heat. We can also introduce 36 volt DC small generator wind turbine that can help in charging. Thank you.